everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Madhusmita from Pick Your Take. If you're new here, then do consider subscribing. Now let's get started with some interesting travel hacks. Number 1. Everyone prefers to eat near famous tourist spots, and I do agree that it's great for your Instagram feed. But wait a minute, it's not that budget friendly. What if I told you that you'll find food that is much tastier and affordable just a few blocks away from the tourist spot? Number 2. Did you know that there are always free things to do in every destination that you visit? All you have to do is just Google your destination plus free things to do and you'll find a bunch of different activities. Especially if you're an art-loving person, then art fairs, open-air concerts and museums are a great way to get started. Number 3. Every destination that you visit has their own culture and tradition. So it's always better to learn about their culture before going there so that you have a hassle-free vacation and it is much more memorable. I hope these hacks were insightful. For more such travel inspiration, don't forget to subscribe to Pick Your Take.